back to my channel. It's your girl BerryFae. Today we are finally, I know we're a little late to the show, but we are finally unboxing and reviewing Forvr Mood's new fragrances, okay? This is Jackie Aina's first launch in perfume, and I'm so excited, okay? I love Jackie Aina down. I've been watching her since like 10 years ago, I believe. She's been on YouTube for a very long time, so I'm super excited that she is dabbling into the fragrance world because the girl loves fragrance, as y'all know. So yes, let's get into it. My name is BerryFae. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm going to give my honest reviews on all 4 of the fragrances because I got them all right here, right now. So let's just jump right into it because we got things to do, okay? So let's go ahead and open the box. I'm hyped. And again, there are 4 fragrances. We have I Am Her, which is that cute pink one. We have NDA, the purple one. We have Hard to Get, the yellow one. And then we have You Remind Me, the white or clear one. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, I'm pretty sure she's gonna come out with some more. I can just only imagine because this one seems to be doing so well. You guys in a little bit closer so we can get real personal, okay? All right, so which one should I start with first? I'm gonna start with Hard to Get because it's just giving fall and I love that. Fall, it's just giving winter and I love that. So I got my little testing strips or my perfume strips. I actually just made these. Literally, I'm like, okay, I need to get some, but why do I need to go buy paper when I have tons of paper? So I went to my office drawer and I found index cards. And I personally don't use index cards anymore because what is there to use index cards for? I'm not in school. So I just cut up index cards into 4 and then I got all of these. And I'm gonna be using these from now on as my tester strips because it's the exact same type of paper as perfume tester strips, okay? I'm not gonna spray it on me too much unless I really, really love it because it's gonna be hard to tell which is which on one body, all in one setting. So make your own tester strips, okay? If you do review videos and stuff. All right, so first off, we're gonna start out with Hard to Get, okay? Hard to Get, it says made for the one who's hard to get but easy to love. And it's in French as well, which is pretty cute. I love that it did French. All right, so this is Hard to Get. It is a yellow bottle. I will do my B-roll right here for you guys. All right. Ooh, it's kind of hard to open. There we go. All right, so we got it open. This is Hard to Get. The notes are going to be on the screen, but I will tell you what it smells like to me. You know what I love about Kayali that she started doing? She started putting the notes on the back of the bottle. I know this is not about Kayali, but I love Kayali down. I love that she puts the notes on the back of the bottle. So as you're reviewing, you can talk about it like that, which is a good thing a lot of brands should do because perfume reviews are out there and everybody loves perfume. All right, so first impressions. The shape is interesting, but I like it. It does give bougie aunt. It gives like just bougie in general. So this is what it looks like. It is, you know, that clear. It is not magnetic, so you do have to snap it on in case you want to know. You know, there's different perfumes out there, but this one is not magnetic. You have to push it and close it shut. It is like a cute little diamond shape, which I appreciate because it's different from the other shapes. It's not like just a regular square. I do have some other perfumes who have like different shapes, like the Victoria's Secret ones. I like the shape because it's just different. It looks better when all the bottles are not just plain squares. So anyways, this is Hard to Get. It is a yellow bottle and see what it is giving, okay? And I know it smells different on different people, so just take with that information what you will. Okay, instantly I smell like fruity. I smell like a citrus. I don't know if it's like an orange, but it definitely smells citrusy. Okay, this is, let me grab my phone because I really want to know what these notes are. Forvr Mood fragrances to fragrances. That's crazy. All right, so I pulled it up really quick on Google so I can see the notes and smell it at the same time. Okay, there we go. So Hard to Get. This one is for the charmer, the memorable and the exclusive. Hard to Get. For the one who's hard to get but easy to love, a luminous blend of decadence. The mood is being in touch but out of reach. I like that. You know what? Now that it's like drying down, I can see that. Like this is somebody that you're going to remember but you're not gonna know why you remember them. It is very mysterious if you ask me. I like the smell though. It does smell really, really good after it dries down. The initial spray, I smelled citrus, but I don't smell citrus anymore. Okay, so the notes, I knew I smelled citrus. It's citron zest, sheer jasmine, and whipped vanilla. Yes, I definitely smell the citrus initially, but now that it's drying, I smell the vanilla, and that vanilla smells good. I don't think I have any vanilla that smells like this. So this is the girl who wants to smell fresh and wants to be like unforgettable. Yeah, like if you want to make a little statement, I would wear this one for sure. But it's like a cute flirty statement if you ask me. But yes, I like this. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10 so far, but I think I'm going to really end up loving this, and it's gonna end up moving up to 10 out of 10. Next, I'm gonna go in with You Remind Me. You Remind Me, it says, have we met before or was it a past life? Are you a memory or my destiny? I like that. Again, it gives me that same type of mysterious feel just by the name. You Remind Me, and hard to get. You know, it's for the person that you just will never forget. Lean into this soft blend of sensual musk. The mood is You Felt That Too. I like that. That is cute. Jackiana, you did it with your punchlines and things. I like that for sure. Okay. Apricot skin, orange blossom, and sensual musk. So this is gonna give that same citron, fresh feeling. All right. So these things are a little hard to open. Not hard, but. Okay, so You Remind Me. You felt that too? Yeah, that's the punchline on this one. Okay, and it is that clear bottle. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Y'all hear that? I got a little microphone on today. Let me know how that sounds for y'all compared to my other videos. But okay, so this is You Remind Me. Again, not magnetic, in case you're wondering. Let's go ahead and get right into it, because I'm really curious to see, you know, why the punchline is like, you felt that too? Yeah, let's do it. Okay, immediately when I smell it, I smell powdery, but I'm gonna give it a second. Okay, so again, the notes are apricot skin, orange blossom, and sensual musk. I smelled the orange. This definitely does smell fresh as well. I don't mind it, but it's not my favorite. Between the two of them, this is not my favorite right now. But I can, okay, I smell the sensual musk for sure. Like I smell how it's like changing. Like you guys have got to let your perfumes change over time and give it time to, like, you know, marinate. Okay, but this, again, this is on a paper, so it's gonna be different on skin. But it actually does smell like a person who took a bath. That might sound stupid. Took a bath, but they smell like themselves still. Like the body wash did not take away from their natural smell. This is what that smells like to me. This smells like a natural smelling, clean, girly. Yeah, so this one, I'm gonna say this is the clean scent. This is the one we wanna go safe with. This is the one I would wear to like work. I don't see this as my going out scent just yet, but it is cute. I'm gonna give that a 7 out of 10. I'm gonna learn to love it. I know, because I pay money for it, okay? Ooh. Now, what do we go to? We go to I Am Her, or do we go to NDA? I'm going to save NDA for last because I watch a lot of reviews and everybody loves NDA. So this is I Am Her, okay? I Am Her is the pink one. All right, let's get into her. Ah, I did not want to rip the boxes because I have to do a real. Oh, I'm going to have to take that down. So I Am Her, the punchline is she is the it girl in every room. I already know I'm going to like it because that's me. She enters aspirational, effortless, and always approaches and is always approachable. She is you. That is me. Yeah, I Am Her. I love the line. I love the notes. Okay, this is red velvet, pear, and oud. Okay, red velvet. It says never had to show out, just show up. I just show up. I like that. I like that. This is gonna probably be my favorite one, I think. All right, so this is the pink one. I like the pink. It is very, very, very subtle. Very cute, very girly. I love this so far. Just the pink is just so pretty and perfect. So let's go ahead and try her. This is red velvet, pear, and oud. I like how she has a lot of like fresh scents because, you know, that spring, summer. This is gonna be a good collection. I know I'm gonna be using these a lot, and the bottles are pretty small, so I'm gonna run through them very fast. Ooh, yes, that pear is nice. I love the pear in here. This one right here, so far, 10 out of 10. I smell the red velvet, but I smell the pear. The pear smells like something you'll never forget how it made you feel. This is the one you wear to brunch. This is the one when you're around other women, when you want to feel fun and fresh and cute. This is that one. I like this one a lot. This just reminds me of literally like a summer day, like a pretty summer day. You're dressed up, you're drinking your mimosas. This is what that one reminds me of, and I like it. Oh, this is my favorite one so far. That pear. The pear is really nice in here, okay? I love the pear. The pear. I could smell, this is the one I could literally smell my whole house smelling like. It smells good. If you're not gonna get anyone, get this one. I Am Her. This is the type of fragrance I would buy for my friends and my family because it's just gonna give you that fresh, girly, pretty scent that you really, really like. Oh yes, this is 10 out of 10. It kind of reminds me of strawberries, but you know, I'm a little biased to strawberries. I love everything strawberry, hence the name BerryFae. But yeah, this is the one. This is the one. Yep, I love this. This one, I Am Her, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. I really, really like that one, okay? All right, so last but not least, we have NDA, okay? NDA, non-disclosure agreement. Okay, the reviews for this, the last one, I Am Her, are 5 stars. Smells so good. It's the purple one. It says what happens here stays here. But first I'll have, okay, why can't I read? It says what happens here stays here. But first you'll have to sign here. This one is giving me date night. This one is giving me I'm going out. This one is giving me sneaky link. Like it's giving me that type of vibe. And I like that because hello, we all need a nighttime fragrance. A little, you know, 1-2-1-2. Okay. And this one is completely sold out in every single size. All right, so the notes for this one are spice rum, tonka bean, and tobacco flower. So I knew this one was gonna be a little bit dark. All right. The first time you open it, it is quite hard. Just FYI, it's not enough space for my fingers, but yeah. This is the purple one. I love the color purple. It's a cute, pretty pastel, not too dark, okay? I love that. So this is NDA, non-disclosure agreement. Sign here when you want to speak to me, okay? Again, this is spice rum, tonka bean, and tobacco flower. This is for the girls who just need it. Okay, at first I was like, is this masculine? But it's not. Once it starts to dry, you can definitely see. So this is definitely, for me personally, I would wear this at night. I would not see myself wearing this in the day unless where I was going, I needed to smell good the whole time. The whole time, okay? Unless I needed to smell good the whole time, this is gonna be a nighttime scent for me, and I like it. The rum is really nice. It definitely, I can smell the rum in it. I love me some rum, honey. I can definitely smell the rum in here. I can smell the tonka bean, and I can smell the tobacco flower. I can smell all 3 of the major notes in here, and I like it. It is definitely different. So if you're not used to like darker, like more almost kind of smell masculine scents, you may not like this. If you're looking for the girly, the pretty, you're gonna try to get I Am Her and Hard to Get. But if you're looking for something like for a little cute little date night, honestly, I do recommend all 4 of them because I think you can wear all 4 of them in a different setting. But this one reminds me of a date night or just a night out in general. You're going somewhere where you know you want to smell good because everybody around you is probably going to be smelling good. This is that one. This is not, I don't think this is like a standout scent. I think I Am Her is a standout scent. Like you want to make sure you're being smelled. But this one gives me, all right, I'm just that boss babe. I'm here, sign on the dotted line. Like it says NDA, but first you have to sign here, okay? I like it. I will give this a 8 out of 10. I know I'm going to be able to use this a lot because I have a lot of events coming up and things like that that I want to be going to this season. So I could definitely see myself using this a whole lot, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and go through the ranking one more time from my most favorite to my least favorite. So 100% I Am Her is #1 in my book. Absolutely #1. If you don't get any of them, get this one. If you are that girly girl and you want to smell like a princess, this is the one you want to get. #1. All right, and second place In second place is going to be Hard to Get. I love Hard to Get. It is fresh, it is fruity, it is fun. I love it. Okay, perfect for the season we are in right now, which is spring, summer. Absolutely recommend. I think I gave this a 9 out of 10. So 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10. Okay, and then I'm gonna go with NDA. NDA is an 8 out of 10 for me for sure. I love the way this smells, and as I'm smelling my room, I can smell it more, and I just love it. It does smell really, really good. I don't know what it's just it's like all of them are mysterious. It's like I don't know like who that girl is. Like it's a fragrance I don't have, and I have a lot of fragrances. I need to count my fragrances at some point. On this one shelf I have next to me, I have 50, and I have a whole nother shelf. So I know I have well over 100 fragrances, and out of my 100 fragrances, I don't have anything that smells like any of these, okay? Out of the 100 plus fragrances I have, none of them smell close to this, and I think she did a really good job. All right, and so in last place, not for a bad reason, I just don't see myself using this more. Actually, I'm gonna turn this into like a work scent if I just have to run errands or I need to go to work, okay? So that's gonna be that casual scent. This is the scent that you don't really necessarily, but then again, I am gonna mix. That's what I'm gonna mix these two together for sure. I'm gonna mix You Remind Me with NDA, because to me, I feel like that's gonna be a really good balance with the different notes in here. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Tell me down below which one is your favorite. Have you tried them? What are you waiting for? Some of them are sold out on the Sephora website and on Forever Mood website. However, when they come back in stock, all you have to do is go get them. I highly recommend getting these two for sure. I Am Her and Hard to Get. To me, they're my favorite. Again, this is just my preference, but these are also really good. But if you're gonna start, if you wanna just only start off with two, and by the way, these are super affordable. The price is right here on the screen. I highly recommend you get them. They're perfect for that summer and that spring. And then the size of it is 1.7, so you can travel with it and all the things. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video, and take care. Bye.